Oh, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowry. We're back. March 4th. I almost said February. March 4th. Let's go. Beautiful week so far. Monday and Tuesday been killing it. Last week we've been killing it. We're going to get into it real quick. I give you some freebies. I give you some stocks that I'm currently in for a long term hold that I just bought equity into. So if that's something that you want to do as well, instead of messing around with options, pay attention and you'll be able to see what stocks they are. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowry. We're back. What's today? Tuesday. Tuesday. That's a good day. We're up 1,400 on the day, so super cool with that. Um, the whole chat ate today. It should have been. It was a pretty choppy day until a little bit ago. You know, we got this nice drop there on the video. We had a beautiful break on SPY. So I caught this little retest from right here down. I sold here, so not too bad. That's what made me a little bit money back. Um, yeah. So today's trades. Let's see. We called out. What was the watch list? What did the watch list say? We'll start with that. 583.75. Let's see. 583.75. Okay. Boom, right there. All right. And then reject or 587.62 reject. Okay. So you can see my reject, excuse me, my reject was gorgeous. This was a quick liquidity grab. Boom, down. So the second that we broke above here, I did get calls originally, and then it broke right through this next candle. So I stopped out right here, and I was like, sweet. Was waiting for a pullback this whole time. I actually entered one here, and then one more here, and then came down and sold. Um, so literally just off my watch list. If you would have just waited today, you know, we opened, came down, bounced right off the zone perfectly, came up to 583.70. Well, really 585.28, but 583.73. If you would have waited, closed, you could have brought that all the way down to 576. That's a huge move. Huge move. So I was gonna be done trading, and then I saw that setup happen. I was like, all right, I'll take a couple extra hundred. You know, why not? So, chassis profits. Profits at there we go. It was my day. Look at that. Boom, banking on the swing plays, banking on the day trades. Look at that, banking 41%. It's crazy. 128. Oh, that's like 180. This was earlier today. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Definitely some good trading today. Intraday levels, we called it all out. Entered SPY 578 puts here, and then also entered Tesla 255 puts here. So those are my contracts that I entered and when I entered them. So 836 and 850, right? So right on SPY we had, where's 836 at? Right here. So right here we entered the puts, which was beautiful, and we brought it straight down. We actually sold about here. I had a support here. So yeah, so sold perfectly. And then Tesla, we did, what did we say on Tesla? At 850. So at 850, yep, right there. So on this 5-minute candle is when we entered the puts. This was actually, that wick right here is the pullback. So this was a good pullback entry, stop loss here, super tight, and we just came straight down, and I sold right here, which is obviously perfect. So, and then that's when we say we're all out. I was on the chat. I was actually on the stock chat when I was saying I was all out. Yeah, out of Tesla, out of SPY. So everyone knows I'm done. I'm out. Like, I took my profits and I ran. If anything you do from there on out, it's entirely up to you. Um, but yeah, like the video today, definitely I was just saw this choppiness going, so I didn't really like it. And then as soon as it broke above and closed, I wanted a pullback, never got one. Excuse me. Been doing taxes, man. It's annoying. Look at this thing go. Market close in 30 seconds. That was a gorgeous breakout on SPY. Like if you ever see that, like take it. You know, like that was beautiful. The SPY swing trades that we entered, we entered those. What here? January 25th. We had March 20th expiration. I just sold those today. So as you can see, we held from here all the way down, all the way up, and I was holding this whole time. I was probably down like over 100%, and I added, and then I was up, I was up over 100%, and then I was right back to break even, dang near. So then this happened. I was like, all right, I'm back positive. Then I went negative, and I was negative like probably 10%. And then so this is when I added around all-time highs. We added what 610 about, and brought all the way down to 578. So I only had 2 contracts and made about 2,000 from it. They cost me, I think, like $300 or $400. So for $400, it just easily made 100%. Again, guys, this is like, it's possible. You just gotta stick with it. All right, market's closed now. We had a beautiful chart. Look at that. Came up right back down to our order block. So we'll see what happens. We may come back up and grab some liquidity up here tomorrow. We don't know. These aren't good lines anymore. That's still a good one. But yeah, so I would wait to see what happens for after hours. So yeah, that was today's trades. And let's see. Oh, LMT. There's a little freebie. LMT, I am in long. So yeah, that was a good reject. I thought that'd be a good reject. So I'm in LMT long here. I'm looking for probably a TP at about 473. See the daily. Yeah, I mean, this gap fill would be nice. We get all the way up to. I just want to know. I just put an alert here so I know when we're tapping here. I might trim some here, but this looks like we're just gonna fill right back here real quick and then come back up. So beautiful, beautiful. We could actually we'll put this there. Safe profits. You get greedy, you hold too long, and then you lose all your profits. Don't do that. All right, take what you got, call it a day. Leave some for the next guy. See what else am I? Oh, AMD. Oh, AMD. Let's go. What am I up? AMD, I bought equity in, so I just bought actual shares. Oh, that's beautiful. I just bought actual shares of AMD. I actually fully loaded yesterday's lows. It was like almost full. I'm like 75% in my position. I was waiting to see if we could get like to the 80s, 70s or 80s, but I don't think so. I mean, there's a huge support. There's a huge support right here. Like, look at this. So I'm expecting a great bounce. I want to get back above 132 and then take it up to 175, 188, all-time highs, 230. These are just the areas that come next. So, but that's a long-term hold. That's definitely a long-term hold. This is weeks. These are weekly candles. So it took, to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks. So this is a long hold, but this is something that, if you just want to be safe and just invest into good companies, this is a good one. Let's see, Netflix always goes crazy. Jeez. Gorgeous. What was that retest at? Yeah, right there. That little wick right there. Nice. Yep, never retested that. Just came halfway there. Always beautiful. Apple. Excuse me. That's right. I wanted to buy Apple. I forgot to set an alert on it, but I drew my zone after this support happened. We bounced, and then made a higher high, came back down, and then it came right back into my zone. So I wanted that one. What's the daily like? Yeah, literally on this retest would be a good ad, and then it gapped up and just went nuts. But it's alright. Can't grab them all. So anyways, that was today's recap. Again, it's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading. Let me know how you like it. We out you.